Welcome back to Eve Math Tutoring. Today we're going to do a lesson on calculus on derivatives using the chain rule. So what is the chain rule? So if you have a function f of x equals g of h of x, so you have a function within a function, then the derivative is given by g prime, so the derivative of g of x, g prime of h of x, times the derivative of h prime of x. So how do we use this? So say we have this example, f of x equals 3x minus 5 to the 4. So to take the derivative of this, I have to use the power rule first. So I bring down the 4, and I write down 3x minus 5. And then I subtract 1 from the exponent, so it becomes 3. But then I use the chain rule, so I take the derivative now of the inside of the bracket, which is 3. Okay, so then we can simplify that to 12, 3x minus 5 to the 3. Or if we have another function, f of x equals root 4 minus x squared, first I would rewrite the function as f of x equals 4 minus x squared all to the half, and then I would take the derivative. So I would use the power rule. I would bring down the half, 4 minus x squared to the negative a half, because I would subtract 1 from this exponent here. And then I would use the chain rule. I would take the derivative of the inside. So the 4 becomes 0, but this becomes negative 2x. Because I bring down 2 and then I subtract 1 from the exponent, so it becomes x to the 1. So you don't have to actually write down the 1. And then if we simplify that, we get negative x 4 minus x squared to the negative a half. Or we could write it as negative x over 4 minus x squared to the half, positive a half. So if I bring it to the bottom of the fraction, the exponent becomes positive, and then I could write it as 4 minus x squared. So this would be the final answer. Okay, so that's how you use the chain rule. So you basically take the derivative as you normally would, but then you have to take the derivative of the inside of the function as well.